Ryan Gass here, PTPGun.com, and today we're going to show you how to field strip the Glock 43. Now before we field strip any firearm, we need to double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded. We're going to go ahead and drop the magazine out, set it to the side, double check there's no round in the chamber, no magazine inserted, and we're good to go. Now, we're gonna go ahead and set the slide home and point the firearm in a safe direction. We're gonna go ahead and pull the trigger. Now, there's two different ways to take apart the Glock. They're mostly similar, but we're gonna show the differences. And we're gonna show both ways. So the first way is this. We're gonna take the muzzle of the gun, we're gonna stick it on the table, we're gonna lean it forward on its head, and we're gonna press that frame down. And the slide will come back a little bit. And that's what we wanna see, and that's what we wanna maintain too. So make sure that that doesn't come back like that, all right? Now, while doing that, we're gonna take this takedown lever, and as I hold it, all right, it's up, all right, and it's on both sides. It's actually one piece protruding out both sides of the gun. We need to pull it down into that void that's below it. We need to pull it down into that from both sides at the same time while we have the slide back. So we're gonna pull it from both sides, and we're gonna hold that there. We're gonna lift up on the frame, and the slide will come off. Now, this is as far as we're gonna take apart this frame for the field stripping, so we're gonna take that, set it to the side. Now with the slide, we have it upside down. We're gonna take the spring and spring guide, we're gonna compress it just a little bit, pull it up and out, set that to the side. Then we have the barrel, we're gonna grab that up, pull that out, set it to the side, and then we have the slide itself. Now from here, you can do any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do to your Glock 43. Let's go ahead and get into reassembly. Reassembly is going to do the same thing in reverse. We're gonna take that slide upside down, drop the barrel in upside down. All right, we're gonna set it into its place. We're gonna take the spring and spring guide. With the Gen 4, Gen 5 Glocks, you have a longer, fatter end and a skinnier, shorter end. Longer, fatter end goes in first at the muzzle end. We're gonna compress that spring a little bit and get it caught in the rounded step of that barrel. Now we're gonna go ahead and insert the frame into the slide. Using the rail on top, the rail starts about 1/3 of the way back. We're gonna insert that rail into the back of the slide. We're gonna match it up, keep it matched up as we pull it all the way back and let go. Now the firearm is now being reassembled, but we're gonna do a function check, make sure that the firearm is put back together properly. So keep it pointing in a safe direction. We're gonna go ahead and pull that trigger and let go. We're gonna pull that slide back and let go, and then we're gonna repeat that. Pull the trigger and let go, pull the slide back and let go. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull the trigger, hold it to the rear, and while holding it to the rear, we're gonna pull that slide back and let go. We're gonna release the trigger until we hear and or feel that click. Then we're gonna pull the trigger again. Again, we're gonna pull that slide back, let go, release the trigger just until we hear and feel that click, and let it go all the way. For more videos on how to field strip and clean your firearm, go to PTPGun.com firearms training on YouTube, and make sure to hit the subscribe button as we post new Field Stripping Friday videos each and every Friday. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and go to PTPGun.com website and get on the merchandise tab, and you can pick up any hoodies, long sleeve or short sleeve shirts, as well as hats and decals for your vehicle or gun safe. Thank you again, stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.